Hey guys, Alton here. First off, I want to say thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at one of my selected lectures from my 8-hour Introduction to Windows Server 2016 for Beginners course. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Alright, so now that we have VirtualBox downloaded and installed on our system, the next thing that we need to do is download our operating system ISO files. So Microsoft has what they call their Microsoft Evaluation Center, and IT professionals like you and I, we can go there and we can evaluate their products for free for a limited amount of time. So what they offer are what we call ISO files, and an ISO file is an image file. You can actually take that and burn it to a DVD and use that as installation media within your enterprise. You simply just use your key that's associated with that. Or if you want to do testing like we are in this course, if you want to set up a test environment, or let's say that you're in a class and your teacher wants you to do so, you can go to their evaluation center, you can download these ISO files, and within VirtualBox, you can mount it as a virtual DVD and install it that way. And that's what we're going to do. So I've already searched for Microsoft Evaluation Center. You're going to want to do the same. Go to the Evaluation Center. I'm going to go ahead and open it in a new tab. And when we go here, scroll down, click on the Windows, and then Windows 10 Enterprise. Now for Windows 10 Enterprise, we want to download the ISO Enterprise Edition, which you see here. And you'll notice here, it tells us that we can evaluate this, or we can use this for free for 90 days. So we're going to install it on our virtual machine, and then we have 90 days to use it before it expires, and we can no longer use that virtual machine. We'd have to create a new one. So go ahead and click continue, type in some basic information. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do this. Click continue again, and then we'll go ahead and we will continue this video. So I'll be back in one sec. Alright, so after you input your information for Microsoft, it's going to take you to this screen, and we're going to choose the 64-bit edition, and I'm going to select English, and I'm going to tell it to download. Now, in terms of this, you notice down here in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, it's 4.3 gigabytes in size, and it's telling me that this is going to take roughly 6 minutes. If for some reason it doesn't automatically start the download, you can click here on this download button. Now, I'm going to go back over to Google, and I'm going to open up the Microsoft Evaluation Center again in another tab, because now while this is downloading, while Windows 10 is downloading, I want to go back into here and I want to download Windows Server 2016. So we'll scroll down, we'll click on Windows Server, and you're going to notice it shows Windows Server 2019. We're going to go ahead and click View All, and once we get into View All, we can pick and choose exactly what we want. So we're going to go here to Windows Server 2016. You'll notice we can evaluate this for 180 days. So while it's only 90 days for Windows 10, it's 180 days for the server. So we're going to select ISO, continue. Again, enter your basic information, click continue, and we're going to follow the same procedure as the last one. So let me go ahead and pause the video and put in my information, and I'll see you on the next screen. All right, so on this screen, we're going to select English and download. And there you go. Both of them are downloading 6.5 gigabytes for Windows Server 2016. So go ahead and let those download and make note of where they are, because you're going to need those in the upcoming video where we use them to install our operating systems. So I'm going to go ahead and end the videos here, because you really don't need to see the files. You'll see them in the next video. For my system, it's going to default to the downloads folder, and I'm actually going to move them over to another drive on my computer. So I just recommend that you make note of where these are on your system, and then we'll just go from there, and that way you know where they are when we install them as virtual machines. So if you have any questions about this entire process, please let me know. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Take care. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and you learned a lot from it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're interested in taking this full course or just learning more about it, check out the video description down below because I've included a link where you can learn more about the course and enroll into it if you'd like. So again, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it and I look forward to seeing you guys at the next video. Take care.